Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on ACT marketing automation. So this tutorial came about because I had a client that put me on their email list when they sent out ACT marketing automation emails. And in that email, they had a button in that email in which you could click on it to initiate an email. So imagine I get an email like the one we're looking at on the screen, and I want to reply to this email by clicking on a button and emailing that person. So this is an example of a simple email back to this person. So if I click on this, what it's going to do, it's going to open up a new email window and it's going to simply address it to me. It's going to allow the person on the other end to fill in the subject line and put in the body and send an email out to me. So it's a quick way they can send me an email. So that's example number one, and I'm going to minimize that. But let's go look at example number two, because there are some things you can do in ACT Marketing Automation to make this email a little more effective. So in the second option, the orange one, I'm going to click on that. We're going to see the email is going to open it up, but it has an added component. In the subject line, I've set this up so the subject line would be right in the email. So the person doesn't have to type anything out. Now keep in mind, the person on the other end receiving your email clicks on the button. This opens up. It's addressed to me automatically. They don't have to type in my email address. And not only that, I have put something in the subject line. Next step is let's take that a step further. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go down to the third button, and I'm going to click on that. Now this one, we've taken it even a step further. We have it automatically have the email address, which is typical. We have the subject line filled in, but in this case, we also have a message in the body of the text. So at this point, we can have this email go out to this person. Now, when I'm looking at this now, I'm thinking to myself, probably what I would have wanted to do is put my signature down below, because it didn't pick up the signature like it typically would when you're sending out a new email. So the point is this. The point is, if you're going to allow someone to click on a button to send you an email or to request something from you, like a quote, maybe the button text could have said request a quote, give them more information in the email so they have to do as little work as possible so that they can quickly click on that button. The email opens up. They don't have to type anything. They can hit just send, and now you've got an email from them requesting a quote or pricing or some information. Whatever it is, get a little more complicated with that. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you do that in ACT Marketing Automation. Okay, everyone, my name is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.